Hey crew, here's just a quick tutorial on how to create your Roblox account and then what the Roblox dashboard looks like once you get in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to roblox.com. It'll take you to this page right here. You can set yourself up with a birthday, username, and password. The only thing that's really important on here is your year of birth. If you're 13 years or older, it will allow you to chat with people inside the game. If you are less than or younger than 13 years old, it will not let you chat in game. So that's really the only thing that matters on here. Username, please write this down. If you lose it, it's going to be troublesome. And your password as well. Write it down somewhere safe so that you have it, so that you can get yourself back on in case you do lose it. If you already have an account, you can see, just click right there and log yourself in. Let's click sign up. Most of the time, it will take you through a verification game. Just read the directions. Right now, it's this dice game. Sometimes it's a couple of other things, but go ahead and go through this. So I just have... And once you get through the verification game, it will take you into your dashboard. So here's your username right here. Now there's a couple of different places to go. You can see we have some games recommended for me here. And so you can click on any of those to get started. You're probably going to want to add some friends. So to find a friend, you type it in here. Let's look for Henry. So I type in their username up here, and then you're going to want to go down and make sure you search for Henry in players. If you search in games, it's going to come up with games with that name. That's not going to help you. So here's all the people named Henry. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So make sure you have your friends' usernames correct, and then they should come up pretty early on. You click add friend, and then wait, it'll send them a request. And once they accept you, you are now friends with them. In order to find a game, let's do paintball. I'm going to type in paintball. Again, make sure you go down to search in games instead of players. And there's all kinds of paintball games. So I'm going to click on big paintball. And to play the game, you click on the big play button right here. It may ask you to download the Roblox software if this is your first time playing. If that is the case, then you're going to want to follow the directions on the screen. It should tell you where it's downloading to, how to open it, how to run it. Just make sure you read all the directions and follow them exactly. It's a one-time download, and then from then on, you can just jump right in and play the games. If you are looking for friends or to play with other people, you go over to servers right here, and you will see servers that your friends are playing in will pop up right there, and then you can find them on your own. Otherwise, you can just join any server that is not full. So those are the basics on how to create an account and get started in your first game. Enjoy.